Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing a review on the new Olens collection, and these are called the Big Glowy. So if you guys are wondering why the name sounds so similar or familiar, it's because they actually released their original Glowy collection, then their Glowy Natural, and now they have released the Big Glowy. So FYI, I'll be doing like a thorough detailed comparison review, all you need to know about the whole Glowy collection very soon, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up. But for this video we're just gonna solely be focusing on these two colors. The two colors are mocha brown and hazel. Diameter for this is actually definitely very big. It's 13.6mm and I'm wearing one of them right now. In terms of the pattern, just imagine the previous Glowy collection where you have like two-tone colors, a bit of the crescent on the bottom, another color on the top, but with a really big thick lumbo ring border on the outside. This is what you get, and this is how the pattern looks like. So obviously I'll show you guys a lot of side by side so you guys can see what I mean. So let's talk about the first color first. This one is called hazel, and just like its name, it's supposed to give you like this hazel color. For this contact lens on my eyes, I feel like it was leaning towards much more of the darker looking side, I think because of my natural eye color. So comparing to the model, it's not as light tone as I expect it to be, and for me it's leaning much more towards like a golden yellow black color. So you guys will see the differences with the mocha, because when I first put on the hazel I actually doubted myself and I thought I actually put on the mocha brown, but it wasn't. It was actually the hazel. So for me it was more towards like a golden milky brown color rather than really that nice yellow golden hazel color like the model. Then on the border you get this like dark brown border, which I think is actually okay. It's not like too dark and it's a good blend with the inner part of the contact lens. Next is mocha brown, which is what I'm wearing right now, and I can definitely see the differences once I put this on after the hazel. I felt like this mocha brown is definitely leaning towards a very black brown side. It's the golden side of this contact lens is definitely not as obvious, and I feel like the black color for this contact lens, especially the border, really overpower the whole design for me. I feel like with this one I can really see more of that grey tone color of the crescent moon rather than the golden brown, and more of that border. So yeah, that's how I see it. If I have any preference, I think I would definitely like the hazel one more, just because I feel like with the hazel I see more of that brown tone to it. And surprisingly, when I first saw this contact lens, when I saw the ring, I thought it reminds me of like a couple of contact lenses that I used to try. There was one like this Japanese one which is called like the EOS. I'll put like a picture here for you guys. I feel like with this particular Big Glowy design, it's really just targeting for those who want a bigger diameter, and I've seen really like lots of good feedbacks about this contact lens. A lot of people really find this unique because of the limbo ring around it. They like the thick border. They felt like this contact lens was definitely very bulk looking, which I definitely agree. But I feel like for me it's definitely a little bit too large for me. I feel like if they have this design as a 13.3 or 13.4 even, I would definitely say I would like it because I find it very unique. It's definitely not like a natural contact lens. It's definitely more of like a wear it for fun, you know, you want something fun, you want something bold, you want something, you know, different, not natural, you just want to go all out. This would be the contact lens because of the design. Like the crescent moon, it still looks so beautiful on this. You know, you have this really thick border which is so unique. Not many contact lenses do that. So yeah, so that's my thoughts on it. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.